Today, we're taking you to one of the most overlooked yet vibrant spots, Khlong Thom area. Known for its bustling markets and offbeat attractions, this neighborhood is a mix of old-school charm and authentic street food. From iconic restaurants that have been serving locals for generations, to quirky shops that tourists often miss, we're diving into the heart of what makes Khlong Thom a must-see destination. Ready to discover a different side of Bangkok? Let's dive in. Today we took bus number 48 to get off at the stop in front of the Klang Hospital. Then walk toward Worachak intersection. And this is our first stop, UFM Bakery. This bakery shop, founded in the early 1970s, is a well-known brand in Thailand, specializing in baked goods, confectionaries, and the bakery ingredients. It was originally part of United Flour Mill Public Company Limited. Our picks for today's breakfast are tuna bun and sausage pie. Just a little walk toward Jiao Kham Rob Road. Here it is, KhlongThom Center. It is an indoor shopping center with a variety of vendors selling everything from electronics and tools to car parts, collectibles, and gadgets. Despite changes in regulations limiting the old night market activities, KhlongThom Center remains a favorite spot for bargain hunters and those looking for unique or rare items in Bangkok. Well, it's lunchtime already. We walk to the alley at the back of Phra Phi Ren Temple. Let's have some lunch first. Guai Jub Jae Giang Langwat Phra Phi Ren. And the must-see spot in this neighborhood is this place, Phra Phi Ren Temple. This temple has a long history dating back to the reign of King Rama III around 1836. And then it's time for dinner. The place is just next to the temple. Suddenly, heavy rain fell, but it's alright. We're already at LukKhaNa KhoMooYang. We love corn somtam and grilled pork neck here so much. That wraps up our journey through the hidden gems of Khlong Thom. We hope you enjoyed exploring the local food, culture, and unique spots that make this neighborhood so special. If you're looking for more off-the-beaten-path adventures in Bangkok, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an episode. And don't forget, our channel updates new videos every Saturday at 6 a.m. Thanks for watching. And until next time, keep wandering and savoring.